Indian equity markets gained in tandem with global markets, and you had the Nifty 50 that gained about 1% and reclaimed that 19,400 mark. The broader markets also kept pace, with the mid-cap 150 index gaining about 0.9% and the small-cap 250 index ending with gains of over 1%. Now, broadly, of course, the market breadth was favored, or rather market breadth favored the advances, and quite a lot of action in several sectors today. Everything apart from consumer goods as well as PSU banks gained in trade today, and the outperformance was led by the pharma pack as well as the metal packs, both of which gained 1.4 and 1.5% respectively. Now, the top movers on the Nifty 50, I'll take you through them. In fact, there were only about 5 losers on the Nifty 50 today, but the top gainers were Divi's Laboratories. We'll talk about that in just a bit. It gained over 5%. Eicher Motors, Hero MotoCorp, Axis Bank, as well as L&T. In fact, the entire private banking pack was up, and it helped the Nifty Bank gain as much as 0.7% in trade today. Among the losers, you had State Bank of India, which underperformed on the back of results in the second quarter because of a compression in the net interest margin and also the expectation of further compression going forward. The stock was down about 0.7%. HUL, Cipla, Tata Motors and Titan were the other losers in trade. Now, Bharat Forge was one of the top stocks that gained in trade. It gained about 4.5% on the back of a significant improvement in earnings. We also heard that the GDRs of the company will be delisted from the Luxembourg exchange. And finally, I will mention Divi's Laboratories. I mentioned that at the start. Arguably the stock of the day and a very sharp up move towards the end of the session after the reporting of the second quarter numbers. Of course, the numbers don't look very pretty because of the high base of last year, but to a certain extent, you could say that that underperformance was priced in and it wasn't as bad as it was expected. And so the stock gained over 5%. All told, we'll have to see whether the bulls can maintain the momentum that they've built over the last couple of trading sessions, and we'll know soon enough.